guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name's Tiana. For today's video, I have a few things planned. First things first, I need to go to the post office. If you guys didn't know, I recently did a closet declutter, and if you haven't seen that, go ahead and give that a watch. But I am still in the process of selling everything, and I'm doing that through Depop. I'll put my Depop details down below if you guys wanted to shop my closet. But yeah, so that's the first thing I need to do, and then after that, I'm going to be going to a cafe. Today it's not going to be Starbucks. I go there all the time, and I figured I needed to branch out and see what other good cafes are around. And yeah, we'll start with that and see where the day goes. Already I'm in the car, I'm ready to go, and not gonna lie, I struggled with this guy right there. I was angry today. I'm procrastinating because I hate going to the post office. Like, I hate it so much. I'm so uncomfortable there every time, but that's why we're doing it first, so that we get it out of the way. We can go sit in a cafe and do what we need to do, relax. Okay, let's go. Alright, so I just got out of the post office, which I feel like went pretty well, and there weren't a lot of people in there, and the line was really small, so I feel like that was one of my better post office moments. So I'm going to be trying out this place. It's called Big House Beans. But I was looking for a place that had Wi-Fi and that also had a nice seating area, so I felt, comfortable. And I saw that they have iced chai tea lattes, so I'm going to go grab one of those and see how that tastes. But yeah, so I'm going to plug in directions and then go to the cafe. Got an iced chai tea latte and a chocolate muffin. Alrighty guys, I just got back to the car, and let's talk about the looks, the aesthetic of the place first. I did forget to take a video or any pictures. If I can find some on Yelp, I'll put them up. It was pretty cute. It wasn't like super small, it wasn't super big. I felt like it had a really cute aesthetic, which is nice. But anyway, let's talk about the drinks. This is the drink that I got and have barely touched. I got an iced chai tea latte with vanilla and oat milk because I saw someone on Yelp. They loved it, and I like to get iced chai tea lattes from Starbucks, so I figured may as well stay in that, realm type of thing. But yeah, so I got that, and I really wanted to like it, guys, but it's super watery, and I felt like it had a lot of spice to it. I don't know, it just felt like watery spice, and yeah, I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be or not. I do know that my Starbucks iced chai tea latte is always way better. I did get that chocolate chip muffin. I liked it. It was perfect. So yeah, at least that was good. And like I said, the aesthetics were nice. But yeah, it was fun to go to a different cafe, and I think I'm going to try to go to other local cafes just to see what's around still, because Starbucks is everywhere. You can go to Starbucks anytime you want. I'll definitely still be going back to Starbucks, but I'll throw in a few local stores as well. So it is almost 2, and it is a really beautiful day outside. I thought it was supposed to be raining when I checked the weather last night. It said that it was gonna be raining today. It also said that it was gonna be super cold. It's 57 degrees out right now, but there's no wind, so I might end up going on a walk, maybe on a picnic, go sit at the park and read a book or listen to a book or something. But anyway, I'm gonna head home and we'll see what happens next. Alright guys, so I just got home, and I do want to go to the park, but I don't want to walk there, and I do need to go to the gym afterwards, so I think I'm going to change into some gym appropriate clothes, and then that way I can just drive straight to the gym after I'm done sitting at the park. So yeah, I'm going to go get changed. Look who I found. He's there. Hello. Alright guys, here is the fit. Nothing special, but yeah, let's go to the park. Okay guys, so it's low-key cold outside, so I'm just gonna go to the gym. Like right now, sitting in the car, it's warm because the sun has been on the car for a while, and I'm kind of sweating, but it's just a little bit chilly. Maybe I'll stop by the park, stand outside for a minute, and if it feels doable, then I'll do it. So I'm sitting outside. It's still a little bit chilly, not gonna lie, but it is pretty nice. And it's a beautiful day, honestly. The sky is so pretty, the grass is so green. There's not really a lot of people here either, so that's also nice. I don't know if I want to listen to my book or just sit here. So I've been here for a few minutes and the sun is definitely doing its job. This was a good idea. I'm glad I came. Alrighty guys, I've been here for a minute now, and it's been really nice and I'm super glad I came. It is almost 4 now, so I am going to head to the gym, get in a quick sweat sesh. Oh, but yeah, so I'm gonna go to the gym now, which is right over there. It should take about 5 minutes or so. But yeah, let's go to the gym. Okay, so I did the jump roping for 15. Now I'm gonna go do sauna for 15 and then I'm good to go. Hey guys, so I'm done at the gym, thank goodness. But yeah, my camera died, so I'm using my iPhone now. Before I head home, I need to stop at Walmart because my husband needs some more ramen and I need a few personal items. So yeah, I'm gonna stop there and then I will head home. Okay. So they did not have anything that I needed. EJ needed ramen. I also needed something and my specific brand was not there, so I guess I'm gonna have to just order it from Amazon. But I mean, I guess it made things easy. I can just go home now. So earlier today I got a lot done, but I didn't get as much as I needed to, so I'm just gonna do a little bit more of applying to jobs and then I will shower after. Alrighty guys, so I'm all done with all of my job applications. Now it's finally time to shower. I feel really gross because obviously I saunaed, so I've been sitting in my sweat. So yeah, I am looking forward to a nice hot shower. But yes, I'm going to shower and then do some skincare, and then depending on what time it is, I'll probably start dinner. Alright, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Can you guess what it is? You guessed right. There she is. She's still angry, but not as bad. Definitely a lot more flattened out. Normally I would do my spot treatment, which is basically just Neosporin and a spot band-aid. For me, it works like a miracle, like it'll be gone the next day type of miracle. But today I think I'm not going to do that, just because, well, one, it looks really ugly and I don't want you guys to see that, and two, it's already kind of starting to dry up, which is what I want. I don't want to moisturize it too much, which the Neosporin and the spot band-aid would kind of keep it moisturized, and right now I just kind of want it to dry up. So I'm just gonna do the regular skincare stuff and let it breathe. Yeah, let's do skincare. I forgot my serum. This feels so wrong, but I'm gonna do my serum now. Alrighty guys, so that is all of my skincare. I'm gonna go make some dinner now. So this is what we're making for dinner tonight. It is HelloFresh's Southwest Beef Cavatappi. I've made it before. This is one of the ones that I went to Safeway, purchased all the ingredients, and I'm just basically following the recipe for it. But yeah, it's really yummy and I'm excited to have it again. I feel like it's a pretty easy meal to make, which is nice. But yeah, let's make some dinner. Alrighty guys, that's the finished dish. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. But yeah, I'm super excited to eat that. It smells really good. Anyway, that is going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.